everyone, so this is a very quick demo video for the Revid.ai. As in this playlist we are trying to provide some technical preview of different tools that we have been using. And if you like the video, please feel free to comment, or if you want to see a very specific task in the particular tool here we are using Revid.ai, then you can also mention it, and we will consider producing some of the videos like that. But this one, will be a very quick one, as I will go through the tool and I will discuss a bit about the features that are available. So here you can see Revid.ai kind of propose a lot of tools. Here we have AI TikTok video, caption to video, PDF to engaging video, and lots of tools you can see there. Like I'm just scrolling there and lots of things are there. But I personally have tested some of the tools for like a cartoon generation or a 1 minute short generation, maybe a TikTok generation. And then I also really like the tool where there is a debate video generation tool, so that's also there. So you can try to look for the tools that suits you, and then you can use it. Here, if you scroll down at the very bottom, you can see free AI video tools. So these are the tools who are free to use. You can directly click on it and have a free account of yours, and then try out these different features that are enlisted within these free AI video tools. Let's move it to the Revid.ai. So this is my home, but it might look a bit different from yours, because I do have a paid version. So I do have this growth version here. And if you have a free version, so you might have less features available. But these are the version of pricing of Revid.ai. So whatever suits you, you can choose that plan, and then you can get started with it. So here you can see we have this tool, and also we have a welcome how to use tutorial. I found this really useful. Then you can look for some viral videos. You can look for the viral video, and then you can directly go to the video creation tool, like create a new video here. And then here you can just add a topic, generate a script, and then start creating the video that you like to create. I won't go through very in detail, but I'm just trying to give you an overview of the tool. So in the create video, first we have the tools to use. So as I mentioned, there are lots of tools in the list, and then you need to choose a particular tool, and then you can generate a video related to that. So if I choose this AI talking avatar, I can choose it. I will generate a script regarding that, and then I will go with the other options. Then let me choose this create cartoon video option. Here when I choose the create cartoon video, you see that the output example is here, which looks very promising. And then here I can just provide a simple prompt. Let me just copy paste this one, simple prompt, and then I will have to choose the type. So here these are the available type, but we have like 4 types that you can choose from. And then you choose a type, and then you start creating the video. So I haven't really provided a big script. I have just provided a topic for the cartoon video I want Revid.ai to produce. And then I also provided the type. I want moving AI image or AI video, so I choose the AI video option. And then from here I can choose a style. So let's use this Pixar, which is very suitable for cartoon videos. But you can see there is a retro cartoon, which also looks very promising style for cartoon videos. And there are lots of styles, even more when you click on the more, so you can choose from it. So there are lots of options available. Then you have the advanced video generation model, but I would suggest not to use it because it eats up more credit, but if you are looking for very quick video generation, then you can choose this one. Here you have voice library. This is about 50 voice available here, but there is also an option to record yourself, and then you can also see all the voices here, and if you don't like any of them, you can import your own music for background music here. Then you can select audio or generate a music, but that will also add more credit to this. So I will, if you're not really if you already have a music, then use it rather than generating it and losing some credit here. Then there are some advanced options as well, like how would you like your subtitles to be, how would be the warping and everything, and then you can click here to generate the video. So I'm not really clicking, but I will show some of the videos that I already have generated. For example, this one, this is just a example video that I generated and which looks very promising.
Everything you believe to be your original thoughts are actually recycled ideas from your past experiences. Your brain runs on auto.
Not really going through the whole video, just to try give you an overview. And I really like this one about from a long time I was looking for some tool that can generate a debate video. So here we are, the Revid.ai can generate this. Let me show you.
Welcome everyone to today's debate podcast. We're diving into something many of us experience daily: workspace organization. Are you team messy desk or team tidy desk?
Thanks for the intro, Alex. I'm definitely team messy desk. And trust me, there's method in the madness.
Haha, and I'm team tidy desk. Order keeps my mind clear and productive.
Let's start with Jamie.
So as you can see, this is a very cool video that I generated with Revid.ai. So give it a try. There are lots of things. If you have any concern, please feel free to comment, and please, if you can, like, share and subscribe our channel for exploring some more AI tools. Thank you.